Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start Chevy Trax with key fob full guide. Press and release lock, then press and hold the remote start button for about 2 seconds while pointing the fob toward the vehicle. Make sure doors are closed and the hazard lights flash to confirm start. If it does not start, check battery and key fob and ensure vehicle is in park with a valid key present. Remote start is convenient but safety matters, so always verify the area is clear and the vehicle is parked securely before using the fob. Keep the fob within the typical effective range and avoid remote starting in tight indoor spaces where exhaust can accumulate. If any warning lights or engine issues appear, do not use remote start and address the fault first to prevent damage or unsafe conditions for you and passengers. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides and quick tips. On another note, I love reading while I wait for a service appointment, so quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading anywhere and passing the time during car warm-ups. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If your Trax does not respond to the key fob, start by replacing the battery and retesting. Confirm the vehicle battery is healthy and that the car is in park with doors closed and the hood and trunk latched. Review the vehicle settings and user manual for any configuration that may disable remote start, and if problems persist, consider visiting a dealer or qualified technician to run diagnostics and reset any related modules safely and correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.